What costs do I pay besides the deposit when buying a house in Ireland? Most first-time buyers in Ireland make a big mistake. They only save for the deposit, but forget the real cost of buying a house. There are several additional expenses you need to plan for, and understanding them early can make your home buying journey much smoother. One of the main costs is the solicitor fee. A solicitor handles all the legal work involved in the purchase, including contracts, property checks, and transferring ownership into your name. Another important cost is the valuation fee. This is required by your lender to confirm the market value of the property before approving your mortgage. In some cases, especially when buying an older property, you may also choose to get a structural survey. This helps identify any hidden issues in the property before you commit to buying. If you are buying a new build home, you may also consider a snagging inspection. This is a check carried out to identify any defects or unfinished work before you move in. You will also need to pay stamp duty. In Ireland, stamp duty is usually 1% on residential property up to €1 million and 2% on any value above €1 million. Before your mortgage is completed, you will need home insurance in place, and in most cases, mortgage protection insurance is also required by lenders. After you move in, there are ongoing costs such as local property tax, monthly utility bills, and general home maintenance. These are often forgotten but are part of long-term home ownership. There can also be additional move-in costs that many buyers don't expect. Older homes may need painting, repairs, or renovations. New build homes may still require flooring, appliances, curtains, blinds, or landscaping for the garden. These costs can increase your total budget significantly. To keep it simple, besides your deposit, you should plan for solicitor fees, valuation costs, survey fees, stamp duty, insurance, and potential move-in expenses. For example, if you are buying a €460,000 house in Ireland, these extra costs could typically range from around €12,000 to €20,000 or more, depending on the property type and what additional work is needed. This is why it's very important not to use your full savings only for the deposit, and to always keep a buffer for these extra costs. Understanding this early can help you avoid financial stress and make better decisions when choosing a home. Now I want to hear from you, which of these costs surprised you the most when you first heard about buying a house in Ireland? Answer in the comments below. And if you want simple explanations about Irish mortgages, first-time buyer schemes, and the housing market, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.